Y'all, today we're gonna be cooking on that brand new Blackstone 22-inch XL griddle and pellet grill combo. Y'all, we're gonna make some smoked chicken cheesesteaks. Boy, it's gonna be some good groceries. You will not wanna miss it. That's some good groceries. All right, first things first here, y'all, let's get the smoker on and let's get it set up to about 325 degrees. We are gonna spatchcock this chicken. And basically what that means is we're gonna take the backbone out of this thing, all right? It helps the chicken lay flat. What that does, it helps cook more evenly. The skin is on top. I feel like it protects the meat and it comes out to be a juicier product. So we're just gonna take a pair of kitchen shears here and just go along this backbone, just real easy. The bones snap really well. Do that on both sides. Then we're gonna flip the chicken over and just kind of press on it firmly, kind of like you're giving a little chiropractic adjustment here, okay? And then once it's nice and flat, we're gonna season it up with some of this Blackstone Outlaw barbecue. This is really good on barbecue, really good on chicken too. So we're gonna season it up real liberally on the inside of the chicken and on the outside. Also, don't forget to get up under that skin, put some seasoning under that, so you got some nice flavorful meat. Now that your chicken is seasoned, now we're gonna put it onto the grill. I'm gonna put it in this nice lovely spot right here. And we have these nice temperature probes. This smoker comes with 2, but it can support up to 4. And we're gonna put that probe right in the thick of that breast, and we wanna monitor that breast really well. We don't want it to be over dry. All right, guys, it's been about an hour, actually about an hour and 15 minutes. Our probe here says it's 165 degrees, perfect for chicken. And we're gonna get this thing off, and we're gonna take this probe out first. Might be a little hot, it's all right. Woo, a little hot. There you are. We're gonna lay that right there, and we're gonna let it just hang out. We're gonna let it kind of cool off before we tear it apart, okay? Just before we shred our chicken, we're gonna get our onions and peppers done. And I like using these frozen onions and peppers. They do very well. If you wanna do fresh, go right ahead. And we're just gonna put down a little bit of butter and then put our vegetables right on top of that, season it up with some of Blackstone SPG. Just toss this around for a little while, maybe 2 to 3 minutes. And we're gonna bring that to the front of the griddle, and we're gonna get ready for our chicken. All right, now, chicken. There's no right, there's no wrong way. You just basically, look at all that juice coming out of that chicken right there. That is a juicy chicken. And that's why we wanted to do a whole chicken, is so we can get that nice flavor from the bones and all that kind of good stuff. It just makes a better piece of meat. That's white meat right there that's very juicy. And so we're just breaking this up into manageable pieces. We can save this chicken skin. We'll put that down on the grill and make like a little chicken skin, crisp it up like chicharrones. You see a little red right there, that's from the smoke. That's perfect. I want to finish shredding the rest of this up, y'all. And then we're gonna meet you back over to the griddle. We're gonna get this cheesesteak going. All right, we got our chicken pretty much all where we want it, nice bite-sized pieces. And you just wanna make sure you don't have any bones in there also. Next, we're gonna get our buns ready. And I like to toast my buns with either some mayonnaise or some butter. And today we're doing some mayonnaise. That chicken skin I told you to save, well, don't let it go to waste. You need to put that onto the griddle. That's gonna make some nice little chicharrones. All right, we're gonna get our chicken down. That's enough right there for one. We're gonna make 2 chicken cheesesteaks here. Now, we're gonna take our onions and our peppers, put on each one of those piles of chicken. Now, I'm gonna come back in. I'm gonna come in with some more of this Outlaw barbecue. You just season it up with whatever you like. You can do the SPG if you want. All right, once you got your chicken piles ready, you're gonna come in with your cheese. Don't be stingy. This is white American. Use whatever cheese you like. I also like a little bit of provolone. I'm gonna come in with 2 slices of provolone. I want this thing cheesy like me. There we go. All right, now get this going a little bit. I'm gonna take a little bit of water here, guys. We're gonna close this dome. All right, after just 30, 45 seconds, let's see what we got. Oh boy, it is melted real nice, y'all. Come in, just to make sure everybody got enough cheese on it. Just break it up, mix it in real well. If you see like you need some more cheese, by all means, put some more cheese in there. We're gonna put the bottom of our bun right there. Ooh, look at that. Boy, that is a cheese steak of cheesesteaks. Chicken cheesesteaks. Woo-wee. Look at that. Might need a little bit of mayonnaise on that, y'all. Got to get that lubrication. There we go. All right, you remember those chicken skins? Look how nice and crispy they've gotten. You are going to want to put those on your sandwich, I guarantee it. Let's stack those up. We're just going to slice them up. Just take just a few and a sprinkle right on top. Man, it's got that barbecue rub on it. Crispy, crunchy. That's going to be a flavor bomb, y'all. All right, guys, hey, it's the toughest part of the job, but hey, somebody's got to do it, and it might as well be old Hussey. Boy, would you look at that cheese pull right there. Dang it, boy. Let's give us a try. Oh my gosh. It's so cheesy. A little bit of smoke from that chicken, and man, you know what else? That chicken skin, it is thebomb.com, let me tell you. Little crunchy bits. It is fantastic. Give us a try. I promise you will love it. Y'all head on over to the Blackstone Network where you'll find other awesome videos just like this. I am Matt Hussey, and that's some good groceries.